Alright guys, I don't know if you can hear me pretty good, but here's an updated video. Got the BMW running finally. Well, running better. It has about like 1.5 feet of a header that the guy chopped off, so it has no O2 sensor. It's running pretty rich. Sort of has a vacuum leak, but I looked all around, I can't find one. I don't know if it's just because of it not having an exhaust. I did buy a pickup truck, yes, and did drive the Evo today. Let me show you guys the BMW so you can see what's been going on so far. Alright, here's the BMW. I'll try to talk louder